Okay, Bill's Never Ending Projects, part 2 of the 2005 Pontiac Sunfire. Pontiac Sunfire, changing the mount. So here's the mount. Mine's made for a flat channel. So I had to go back to O'Reilly's. I decided also, you can see, I did put a couple bricks on there because my jacks sometimes fall. Maybe I'll give it a couple pumps. But I pulled out this lug nuts, the hubcap. To get these hubcaps off, you just spin these with your wheel wrench, just like taking off a lug nut, and they don't come out; they stay in the hubcap. I brought the wrong one back and got the one that looks more like it. Now the factory one or whatever has these lips on the side, like a real channel. This one doesn't. This one, instead of putting lips on the side, bends this piece down the center to take up room or something. Well, I'm going to see how it pounds in there, so put it on pause here and beat it in there. Well, that's kind of weird. This one's sticking through that far. Of course, I do have it almost all the way. Let's go look at the other one real quick. I measured it. The other one's 3.5. Let's see what this one is. 4.5. It's an extra inch. So I'm sticking out 2.25. So probably I could slide that back a ways, maybe to there. And gee, do I have to bend this up so it doesn't slide out of there? It's not as tight as the other one with the channels that go up into the, you can see how they made that right there, cut out for the channel to go up. I don't know, I'm not going to worry about it. So all I did, so I didn't have to jack the muffler up with a jack or some blocks right away, as I just bent that far piece out of the way for now. So now off camera, I might turn it back on. I'm going to crank the muffler up and then put the bolt in over here. And then crank it tight. It's not a millimeter bolt. It's 9/16 on both ends. American. Okay, my guess is when you tighten it up, it's going to go, well, you've seen how I had it. Where this back thing will come up like that. Not where it catches underneath, where it will come up even. And it'll look like that. So, and that's what I'm bringing up now. I used the second jack. If you don't have a second jack, just keep putting blocks down, cinder blocks or whatever you got to hold it up. Because nobody'd want to try to hold that up with one hand and try to bolt it with the other hand. So, and it looks like my mount's not even made like this. Look, it doesn't even have the extra little bend. It's just both of them are going to crank together. Both of them are just going to crank together. So this is definitely a cheaper one. Aftermarket, obviously. But it says GM on it, on the bag. Or maybe it says made for GM or something. Let's go look. Okay, there's what I got. Where did I see where it said made for GM? Must have been the one I brought back. It says OE muffler strap, NI Nicholson exhaust solutions. Yeah, that's why it was 15. When I brought the other one back, this one was actually $15 cheaper. They gave me $15 cash back. So it's definitely an aftermarket, and that's why it don't look exactly like the other one in 2 areas at least. All right, well, I'm going to get this back together off camera. Well, there it is, tightened up. So now I'm going to put some Never Sees on these tires, not that they're studs, not that they're rusty. I'm just looking at some of the rust I got going here. Oh, wow. Yeah, this. Well, I don't know what I can do with that, but shoot some, put a whole bunch of drain oil up on there every now and then, so it'll stop it from rusting. But that's the way they make cars, so they rust. Here's the little puny little coil springs. Anyway, I'm gonna put this tire back on and sign off in this video. Yeah, I might as well sign off now. This is the 2005 Sunfire. I'll get her down off the ramps and the job's done. So I had to run to O'Reilly's. That's about it. Okay, thanks for watching.